The Trump administration was handed another legal victory on Tuesday as the Supreme Court sided with President Trump's agenda and paved the way for the government to continue the mass layoffs of its own employees. The ruling lifts a May injunction by a lower San Francisco court, which indefinitely stopped efforts for the government to conduct so-called reductions in force while litigation in the case proceeds. Democratic-leaning Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson dissented from the ruling, calling it hubristic and senseless, saying, "In my view, this was the wrong decision at the wrong moment, especially given what little this court knows about what is actually happening on the ground." Well, her Democratic-leaning colleague, Justice Sotomayor, saying that the specifics of individual agency layoffs were not yet before the Supreme Court, and therefore she couldn't rule on them. That left her then to side with the administration, at least at this stage of the case. For now then, Trump may continue his government overhaul, and the Supreme Court's decision could therefore result in hundreds of thousands of job losses at the Departments of Agriculture, Commerce, Health and Human Services, State, Treasury, Veterans Affairs and other agencies. Democrats have railed against the decision, but it was heralded by Trump's Attorney General appointee Pam Bondi, who said, "Today, the Supreme Court stopped lawless lower courts from restricting President Trump's authority over federal personnel." Another Supreme Court victory thanks to the Justice Department attorneys.